Welcome to my Gym Business Excel Macro System, a complete solution to manage your gym operations efficiently. Now let's open the Gym Excel Business Macro file. With this system, you can track member registration, member payments details, member attendance, expense details, and generate insightful financial reports. Now let's set up the branding for our Gym Excel Macro System. Go to the Settings sheet. This is where we customize the system to match your business. First, enter your business name and Prepared By. This will automatically appear on your dashboard and reports. This is useful for printed reports, making them look official and properly documented. You can also upload your business logo by clicking the Upload Logo button. Simply choose your image file, and the system will instantly apply your logo across all sections, including your members' registration, financial report, attendance report, payment receipts, and expenses. With your business name, Prepared By, and logo uploaded, your entire gym management system is now fully branded and ready for professional use. First, we have the members sheet. Here you can store all member information, including full name, gender, contact number, and their subscribe plan. The system automatically calculates subscription start and end dates and fills the plan amount from your settings. Managing members has never been this organized and easy. Next, we have the attendance sheet. Track who comes in and when using simple forms. Daily logs are updated automatically, and you can quickly see patterns in attendance, helping you manage your staff and schedule classes efficiently. Moving on to payments, this sheet logs all member payments and official receipt numbers for reference. Here you can record member name, plan amount, date paid, or a number, and who received the payment. The system also totals payments automatically. Expenses are tracked similarly, including salaries, maintenance, and supplies, helping you monitor the gym's financial health. Columns include category, description, amount, date, and paid to, so you can manage outgoing funds easily. The dashboard provides a visual summary with charts and graphs of active members, attendance trends, and income. Charts update dynamically as you enter new data in the members' payment or attendance sheets. Filters let you display specific months, member statuses, or payment periods quickly and efficiently. All reports are ready to export as PDF for printing or sharing, saving you additional formatting time. The reports sheet allows one-click generation of active members, payment reports, attendance, monthly income, and yearly income. Reports are generated instantly for any month or member category, ready to print or export as PDF. With this system, you can focus more on your members and gym operations, not manual Excel work. Payments, attendance, and expenses are seamlessly integrated, giving you complete control over your business finances. The Gym Business Excel Macro System is your ultimate tool to run a professional and organized gym. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for more Excel system tutorials and demonstrations. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can continue creating more Excel business tools. See you on my next video, the whole Excel Macro System.